I'm sure you've heard the news, chocolate and dogs don't mix. But do you know why it's so dangerous? Let's break it down. Chocolate contains a chemical called theobromine. While humans can handle it, dogs can't. Just a small amount can cause vomiting, seizures, or even heart failure in dogs. The darker the chocolate, the deadlier it is. So those brownies on the counter, they're a real threat. If you think your dog ate chocolate, even a little, call your vet right away. Don't wait. When it comes to chocolate and dogs, there's no such thing as just a taste. Keep your best friend safe and always keep chocolate out of reach. Now you know.